Hi everyone, this is Vrasana from class 8 standard and today we are here for debate on a topic that music and art classes are prioritized in schools or not. So I am in the favor of music and art class should be prioritized and he is in the opposition for the music and art classes is not compulsory in the schools.
So good morning everyone. My name is Lucky Yadav. So I am here to deliver my debate topic that is disadvantage of art and music. So I believe that the music and art are not compulsory in schools. Means that it is resource intensive for setting up the instrument of music and art. It is too costly and high applicable not in school. It took a specialized trainer that can treat a student well knowledge with the experimental, and for setting the instrument in the school it is too costly, and in school it is not it is challenge for the teachers to manage that thing. So what you think?
First thing, we are paying the fees in this level that the instruments are available in our schools, and as we know that art and music class should be prioritized in school because by the art and music class our concentration increases, our problem solving increases. Suppose that we are making any art or singing a music, then our focus will going to increase, and it should be prioritized in school, and it can be relaxing break from the schools and all sitting about the desk at all. So it can be relaxing break and we can feel good in the art and music classes.
You said that music and art are prioritized in schools. I am going to against your topic that in school if you are going to prioritize art and music program, then the focus of other students gone to their other subject. Means if you are supporting any kinds of art and music program, then your focus gone from other subjects, as like you are studying Hindi, science, math, then it will be gone wrong from your side.
Okay,
you will lose all the things from the other subjects.
I agree with your point because we know that in class everyone cannot be good. Many students who don't want to work in the study, they have interest in music or art classes. If in school there is no facility of music and art classes, then what will be about the futures of the student in future? So if we are arranging the music and art classes, then the student have the talent, they can increase their talent and they can become a country. You know the country China, that is a very well developed country and educated country. You know in China every school every school have compulsory to give additional talent knowledge because of like that art and music classes by which they can survive in future and they can complete their needs, because art and music classes are good that can talent, and there is a list of people who want to work in the field of study, who want to work in the field of the art and music. So it should be compulsory because to increase the more chances for this type of job.
Yeah, I agree with your point, but the thing is that when comes job in this field there is a less amount of job. Means if you are going to support the art and music career, then you have to first famous your village, city, then you have to get the opportunity in this lot of country. For that you have to do lots of hard work with the specialized teacher and trainers. That should be not important, that should be not completed in the schools, because the trainers and the teachers that come in schools, it will be very costly. The teacher that come, it will take lots of money for the managing all the instrument, and the instrument that is you are using, it is so noisy that causes many types of distraction to the students that are studying in the schools.
No, that's not about the distraction. If our class is attending the music and art classes, then what about distraction? If we are attending, then what are you talking about the distraction? You are talking about noise pollution. Then we are studying at all, we are reading, then it didn't cause the noise pollution. If you are saying this,
I'm not talking the pollution.
No, this is about the completely wrong, that noise called distraction, because we are in the music class, we are focusing. And if I talk about the music and art classes, in music and art classes, student can be grouped that cause the best relationship among the children. Either it is singing in choir or drawing in the group, and it can be a relaxing break from sitting at desk and when we have interested, and then when we go to the class, then we can focus on our core subject because our mind is calm and very good. That's why it will work good, and we can focus on a core subject as well as music and art classes.
It can't be managed. It can't be managed. If you are going,
how it can't be?
after taking the practical of art and music, if you are going to study other subject, then your interest will not going to others. Means when besides your surrounding, if there is any kinds of function are there, then there is a sound and sound are going to sing, then your interest will not go that subject, particular subject. In your mind there is a only sound are going to come and come, then what you think?
For your knowledge, I will tell you that in music classes, generally we play the music that are non-religious. According to science, non-religious music increases our focus. I'm not saying that we are singing any song. Non-religious music means classical music, like we are playing. Then dots not all. So if we are talking about like that. We can focus there on core subject when we want to come to the school, where when in the school there is a facility of art and music classes, then student wants to come in that school because it's a new and it's as a fun and interesting class. That's why every student want to come into the school. This is called the high attendance in the school, by which we can focus on the core subject like math, science and all, also in the subject of music and art classes.
I am 100% sure that the person who is supporting the art and music, they cannot good in their other subject. As like you said that math, science, history, they cannot focus because in their mind there is only one setup, that is singing, music and all the instrument song. These are all in their mind.
No,
so how can you say that?
I completely disagree with your point, because if I am saying that non-religious music it's good for focus, and we know that it increase our practice power and the focus, because when we are playing non-religious music, then it should be necessary practice, by which our practice power should be increased. And when we are creating the art or making the art, then our focus will be increased, because by focus, when we are making for art piece, then the main thing that is necessary is focus. So we can say that our focus will also increase with a lots of practice.
But the thing is that you can see in your surrounding, if there is any kinds of marriage or function, if you are at home, then you are going to study, then lots of sound are coming and your mind is distracting to that. I have to go, I can go for the singing that, showing that and looking what is going there here. So these all things that can't be, we can complete our focus on that particular things.
Firstly, you are understanding by music only the loudspeaker music or that are playing into the marriage sentiment. That's your music, and but that's not music. We can say the non-religious music like the music of the piano, guitar and all. It's a music by which we can focus.
But it can't be managed in all schools. Means for managing that, you have to lots of money and the good trainer that can be treat the students very well. For in school there is lots of facility, but the music and art facility are not available in all the school. It's challenge for the teachers and who have managed all school.
So it's the fault of the school why they are not managing. It's not fault of the music and art classes. If the schools are not managing, that's not fault of student or that's not fault of anybody. I think that that's costly. If we are managing everything in the schools, then we can also conduct the art and music classes. What such as colors are necessary and the canvas are necessary. We can bring, if we are providing that lots of facilities, like if you are providing smart classes and all, science lab, computer lab. That's and we can, by this we can also cover that art and music classes. But then what about the cost? If they are taking fees, then they can make available these classes.
But it can be managed in the higher school that are famous in their areas, like this school. It can be managed, but all the schools that are in our state or city, there are lots of schools that cannot be managed such type of facility. So what do you think? You are saying that it can be managed for the school.
You are saying that your means we can only that school can manage the art and music classes who are famous in the areas.
Yeah, that's why I'm saying that all schools not necessary to complete this type of task.
Why all schools are not all schools are necessary to manage this type of classes?
For the managing this, you have to first, I am telling again and again, for the good trainer and the instrument, and you know the instrument is too costly. As like you said, this is a smart board, and you know the cost of this, the maximum 50 to 1 lakh, the price of this. Same like that, the instrument that are coming for the music and art is too costly, so it cannot be managed for the students and the teacher who is in the school.
You are saying that 1 lakh or 50 lakh, then in this amount of rupees we can simply
when comes price, does it too costly?
We can simply manage the art classes. If you are not ready to arrange music classes, then we can simply arrange the art classes for that.
For that, it needs trainer, na? Then trainer needs some.
We can also available trainers.
But
how they will think?
you have to get some money na for the
If
as
students
fees.
are, if students are learning, then they will also pay fees. The fees, then we can buy this fees we can pay to the trainers that are come from music and art classes.
And what are the what needs when comes instrument? Then what will you do?
Then we can also cover these instruments.
It's not necessary to give all the money to the trainer, because for the setting lots of instrument it took lots of money and spaces. And you know the school is waiting for the